Hello, and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, bringing you fresh updates, so let's dive right into it. Our Discord community has reached 3,643 members. It's the perfect time to join and share your ideas and projects in this dynamic environment. In social media news, we just introduced gateway plugins for your IPFS gateway. Imagine transforming your gateway with enhanced capabilities that range from simple tweaks to major integrations. Check out how these new plugins can supercharge your IPFS experience. This week, let's take a closer look at Milky Way. They are a strategic partner for launching mobile apps. Milky Way specializes in tailoring launch strategies that fit the unique market and audience needs of your iOS, Android, or hybrid apps. Their services are designed to maximize brand awareness, boost customer engagement, and enhance return on investment. Additionally, their Instagram account analyzer tool offers deep insights into your social media metrics, helping you track follower growth, post engagement, and more with precision and ease. On the product front, we are addressing the needs of those transitioning from NFT.storage. As NFT.storage pivots towards integrating more closely with Filecoin, users seeking an alternative for their IPFS needs can now migrate easily to Pinata. Our latest blog post provides a straightforward guide on transferring your IPFS content securely to Pinata, ensuring a seamless transition and continuous access to your digital assets. Now let's dive into the world of NFT minting. Crafting and deploying smart contracts can be intricate, but with tools like Foundry, known for its Rust-built speed and efficiency, and Vim, which excels in app integration on Ethereum-compatible blockchains, the process becomes much smoother. In our latest tutorial, we explore how to use these technologies together to mint NFTs. We'll demonstrate how to write and deploy an ERC-721 contract using Foundry, then use VM and Pinata to upload content to IPFS and turn it into an NFT. This guide is an essential resource for anyone looking to build dApps that leverage smart contracts and decentralized storage. And that's it for this episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more updates from our team. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys.